In AutoCAD, the ESC escape key on the keyboard is used to cancel commands and exit the current operation. It is one of the most frequently used keys for interrupting or aborting an ongoing action. The ESC key allows users to quickly stop a command that was mistakenly initiated or to exit from a command that is not proceeding as expected. Functions of the ESC key. Canceling commands. When a command is active and you press the ESC key, it cancels the command immediately. This is useful if you accidentally start a command or if you decide not to complete the current action. Example: suppose you accidentally start the circle command. Pressing ESC will cancel the command. Exiting sub-menus or dialog boxes. If you are in a sub-menu or a dialog box and press the ESC key, it will close the sub-menu or dialog box and return you to the previous state. Example: if you are in the Options dialog box, pressing ESC will exit the Options dialog box. Clearing selections. If you have selected objects in the drawing area and press the ESC key, it will clear the selection set. This is helpful if you want to deselect all objects and start a new selection. Example: if you have selected several objects to move but change your mind, pressing ESC will clear the selection. Exiting command prompts. During a command prompt, pressing ESC exits the prompt without completing the command. For example, if you are midway through specifying points for a polyline, pressing ESC will exit the polyline command without creating the polyline. Conclusion. The ESC key is a powerful tool in AutoCAD for managing commands and operations efficiently. By allowing users to cancel commands, exit dialogues, and clear selections quickly, it enhances the user experience and helps maintain control over the drawing environment. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, the ESC key is essential for effective workflow management in AutoCAD.